What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. I hope you're all having a great Sunday, or at least the start of the Sunday. And I wanted to cover Cardano this morning, or the ADA token more specifically. Obviously, wanted to cover it because well, we did have some sort of a bullish breakout. It looks a little bit messy, as you can see. It looks very messy. But yeah, I know that there's a big community of Cardano holders on this channel, so obviously I have some sort of an obligation to cover it sometimes. Volume has dropped down quite significantly again. It's now at the normal Cardano levels again, which is pretty low. I think this is about like 4%, 3.5% of the market cap. Yeah, it's pretty low, but it's not something to necessarily worry about. Apart from that, there's no specific news around Cardano. It's just right now altogether it's pretty solid. As I said, we just had a bullish breakout. And it's very correlated with Bitcoin right now. I already said that the last time I did an analysis when we were right here. But yeah, what I said, I mean, if you would compare this with Bitcoin, I think it's very correlated, which is a good thing. It's not necessarily bad. I do know that Cardano is a 100% different product and project, and it has a 100% different community. But it's not bad to be linked with Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is pretty bullish. First, I quickly wanted to grab your attention for my new partner, BingX. BingX is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. It's 100% legit and you have a lot of cryptos to trade and buy. And apart from that, if you sign up right now through the link down in the description, you get a 10% off all transaction fees forever, and you can get up to a $125 bonus for free. Now let's get on with the rest of the video. Like this level, this 42 cent level for Cardano was kind of the same as the 21,000 level for Bitcoin. Bitcoin yesterday broke above that, Cardano also broke above that, and now we have that as a support. And I think that's going to hold as a support. I think we're going to stay on top of 42 and 41.5 cents. And then at some point, right now, something that is interesting to look at, and I also looked at that in the Bitcoin analysis actually, but something that is good to take a look at, is the dollar index, which is negatively correlated with crypto. You can see that it's very bearish, and I actually have my own chart on this, which I will look up for you. But yeah, so that's very bearish, and what's basically happening is that I think we're either going to find some support here and then drop down and then have a bearish breakout, or we'll have that bearish breakout immediately. And basically that bearish breakout is equal to Bitcoin getting up to 22,000 and Cardano breaking above 44 cents and getting up to 46 cents. And I do think this bearish breakout is happening, and therefore I think it's a matter of time before Cardano does something like this. The problem kind of is that Cardano doesn't have that strong as a support as Bitcoin, for example. So what could happen is that if the dollar index actually goes up a little bit now, what could happen is that Cardano is going to like spike down a little bit towards 41 cents, towards this 50 EMA, for example. Could happen that happens, and then afterwards we'll get up to 44 cents, and I think we'll also break above 44 cents. So I actually think something like this is the most likely scenario. Just looking at the technicals, first of all, because even though we have broken above 42 cents, we're not that strong above that. And also looking at the fundamentals, this looks good, right? Because this level we have above us is kind of the 21,500 level for Bitcoin, and it all fits with the correlation. So this is what I expect. I'll be back with more updates soon, though. Obviously, if we have a big market crash, this is not going to happen. But yeah, that's not something what I expect. So if that does happen, I was wrong either way. But that's my take on Cardano for now. If you do have any questions about the analysis, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care. Have a great Sunday and bye.